Well, hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know, normally when I've got a video going, there's a box, there's a package or something down here. But nope, today's one is a very, very special mail call. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to tell you about what came in the box and show you its grand glory. Yeah. It's grand awesomeness. Tongue-tied. Whoo! Here's the intro. Okay, guys, as you saw by that opening, we are going to take a look at, well, what can I say? It's a unicorn, it's a grail blade, it is everything I have wanted since I really started doing knife reviews. That's right, it is the Gibbs blade, the Zero Tolerance 0301. Now, yeah, I call it the Gibbs blade because, you know, it's all over NCIS, and this is the one he carries. And these have been out of production for a while, so I gave up hope of ever bringing one to the channel. But I have this amazing friend, even though he's an ex-Marine, I still call him a friend. I made a contribution to his future home fund, and I got a Zero Tolerance 301. So that works out great for me. Now, before we get too much further, we're going to get that one little bit of housekeeping info out the way. If you like what you're about to see in this video, please go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. It only shows love and support for the channel. I'm very, very appreciative of that. Okay. Now, from my understanding, this is a first-generation one, and you have to, forgive a little beat-up look because it has been around for a little while. There's its date, March of 08. So I think that is beyond cool. From my understanding, this is a Ken Onion / Strider design. Now, it's got an overall length of about 8.5 inches. Oh, wow, I actually forgot to write that down. The blade is 3.75 and closed it's 5.125. I did not write down the weight on this thing. I will tell you, it's pretty significant. It seriously, you feel it sitting in your pocket and you really feel it when you're holding it. Now it's done in, well, they call it the drop point style with a hollow grind and a plain edge. Now the blade steel is that wonderful CPM S30V steel with a tiger stripe DLC coating. And that's diamond-like coat, for those of you who didn't know. It does have, well, 2 sets of scales on here, and they call them Ranger Green. I honestly thought for a moment the back was more metal, but nope. Hold on. Yep, my bad. You can kind of see the chipping and whatnot, so it does have the one Ranger Green G10 scale. Now, this is what I thought was beyond cool. It's a titanium frame. That is just friggin' awesome. As you saw, we do have a frame lock. Now it is a flipper or a thumb stud open, and it's buttery smooth when it rockets out of there. You do have a 4-position pocket clip, so you can carry it tip up, tip down, left hand, right hand, whatever you feel. This is something else I thought was beyond cool. The little hex nut right there, the 3/8 hex nut, well, I should say the 3/8 hex head pivot shaft nut makes it for easy adjustment in the field with minimal tools. So that way you can tighten up the opening, you can loosen it up, you can pretty much do a whole bunch. Now, I don't know if you can see too much. It has been a daily user for somebody, and this has made it into my latest everyday carry. Now, if you'd like to see any of those videos, I'm only doing them like once a month. Look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single everyday carry loadout vids that I've done. This is in March 2020's video. What I think is awesome, this is made in the USA. They did not outsource this. Okay. Now, like I said, I bought it from a friend. As you can see, I have been playing around with it an awful lot. So I have got a pretty, hopefully, okay edge on it. But let's put it through our usual tests. Heavy-duty stock paper. Yeah, well, I gotta strop it a bit more because you can see it's picking up flakes right there. But still, it did give me those curly cues that I like. So that's, woohoo! Alright, regular paracord. Just a pull test. Struggled a little with her, but let's go with a slice. So let's go with a 4. Let's see what we can get. Not bad. And our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know, I call him my friend, but yet I cut him up every single video. I really hope there's not like a Ratchet Strap protection agency out there. Yeah, through that, no problem. Okay. Now let's take a look here. Not really a lot on there, other than that one little yellow flakes that I saw. I will tell you, man, this thing shines up real quick when you're using the higher end stones on it. Boy, that CPM steel just becomes almost mirror-like. But alright, so like I said, this thing has been out of production for a little while now. I couldn't find it on Amazon, obviously. I did not find it on Zero Tolerance's website, which is zt.kaiusa.com. But I did find her over on Blade HQ, and they are sold out, and it had a cost of $272. It was reviewed 7 times for a 5 out of 5 star rating. I love this thing. I still can't believe I've got it, and I had to do this review just so actually when I get older and more stupid than I am now, I can look back and go, wow, I actually had one. Devin, brother, I don't know if you're watching this. I seriously want to say thank you. I am so proud you sold it to me, and I'm very, very happy that I was able to do that for you. Now, here comes the important part of the video. You guys know I like to do this in every single video, so here we go. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I'd love to know if you've ever used, like the ZT301. I'd love to know your thoughts on it, because this thing is buttery smooth. It is awesome, and man, I have loved carrying this thing. It made me put up my Gerber fastball for a month just because I fell in love when I first saw it. Now, with that fun stuff being said, I also want to know, you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I kind of want to know. I know I'm a little bit out of sorts with knife videos lately because I haven't shot a whole heck of a lot of them recently, but we're getting back into it. Okay, let's get that wrap up out of the way for you guys. Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful you're choosing this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down here. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've done that, if you so choose, please go ahead and hit the notification icon. Looks like a little bell. That way you're going to be notified every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My look at the legendary Gibbs blade. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.